Okay, one hopes that this is also recording video. So I figured out what I was doing here that screwed me up, and I suspect it screwed you up too. So here's the iNaturalist page right here, and there's a Los Angeles River Elysian Valley, so cut and pasted just like I told you to do. When I click on that, it's going to take you right to this screen because that's what happened before. If you click on either, like I just did, on that pin drop or on the place name, it takes you right to this page, right? And that's what I knew to do, following the instructions that I gave you. But that's not going to get you where you need to go. So when you have this opened up here, you got to click on the View Observations. And plenty of you figured that out. Awesome. I'm so delighted. It really gives me great hope that you young people are smarter than me. But I only figured this out here. So here we go. See, there's 569 species there. Okay, so a lot of you had actually graphed observations instead of species, total species in that area. That's how you find it. So just to clarify, when you plug in the place up here in the search box, you have to click on View Observations. So hopefully that will clarify things. Make sure that the species that you choose for your focal species are within the subject area. So you should go to this page to find those creatures.